People really feel like they're on vacation at Guanabanas. Guanabanas is an outdoor restaurant. You get to sit on the water. You have all the local source seafood. Live music is a big part of Guanabanas' vibe and history. We do a lot of reggae, we do a lot of Latin music. You could spend a whole day here because of all the different things you get to do. Originally, we used to have real thatch. It was nice, but we had to replace it every 2 to 3 years. With the rain, it would wear out the corners, you get bugs. The raccoons like to dig through the thatch, and so then we have holes in the thatch. The local fire departments want you to spray a fire retardant material on the real thatch. We kind of made a decision to go with the VIVA because it's got a 20-year warranty. We don't have any of the maintenance problems we used to have. We're not having the leaks anymore, and we get the live look of real thatch.
Working with Indereed has allowed us to come up with a custom install here at Guanabanas. So we use that fresh tan on the underside to give it that nice blonde look of a traditional tiki hut. And then on the outside, we use that weathered palm, which is more along the lines of a 6-month-old to a 3-year-old tiki structure. That's a big part of it for us, is trying to make it look as natural as possible.
Indereed has been a perfect solution for our needs at Guanabanas. They can't believe that this looks so real. It's met everything that we've hoped for, and we continue to enjoy it.